Welcome back to the Form Manager training playlist. In the last video, we learned about the field set element. In this video, we'll cover how markup elements work. Markup elements are a visual element, meaning they're here to help us add descriptive text, links, images, and other items to a form. A common use for this would be adding a few extra instructions above our file elements section. Something along the lines of, remember to include your full name.number. Let's add this by going to add an advanced HTML/text element. And in the text box, we can type in whatever information we need. So here, we might say, remember to include this on your form. Let's add something that says, contact Brutus Buckeye at buckeye.1@osu.edu if you have any questions. Before we save, we should point out this key field at the very top. Until now, we've had a title field to fill out, which the system uses to generate a key based on that. This lets the website identify and associate filled-in information with each question. Markup elements don't have titles, so by default, the system has filled in processed_text as the key here. There are 3 reasons why we want to change this key. We can make this element easier to identify if we name it something like file_instructions. And all keys need to be unique. So if we try to create 2 first_name elements, we'll receive an error and we'll have to change the key so that there will be no conflicts. The last thing to know about keys is that we should use all lowercase letters to write them and use underscores to space them apart. Now that we've changed our key, we'll save and move our file instructions above the file field. And now on the live version of the form, we'll see our text over the file element. Our next markup element is the horizontal rule. We'll notice when we add this, the preview will show dots here. These dots are a horizontal line and they help separate different parts of a form. And then finally we have message, and this works the same as the advanced HTML/text, except it also has a background color. This can help notes and messages pop out on the screen. And when we're adding this field, we can change the color from this type drop-down box. So, status is green, error is red, warning is yellow, and info is blue. And that's all we need to know about markup elements. In the next video, we'll learn about form settings.